Beach, and today we'll be going on a free walking tour. This is a 1.5-mile, 2-hour stroll through the heart of Laguna Beach. Today, Mr. David will be giving us the tour. We begin at the Festival of Arts.
The little seal pup that you see on the rock just over here, that's called water pup.
We're walking to the next destination, the Laguna Playhouse. Founded in 1920, this is one of the oldest continuously operating nonprofit theaters on the West Coast. Look, there's a lighthouse in the hills. Actually, that tower was built in 1935 as a vent for the flow of treated sewage and no longer serves that purpose today. Our next stops are the City Hall and Fire Station 1. This is the oldest operating fire station in Orange County and was built in 1931.
Come on in, we're going to have a seat here.
We're looking at an art piece called the People's Council.
This represents every man, woman, and child, as well as animals. That's a dog, and then the dove is the bird of peace. The obelisk in the middle is a sundial that highlights words on the ground that are aspirations of the community.
Next is the Water District, where we saw a golden fire hydrant. And across the street is the Global Angel Wings Project. Brother is too short, so it looks like he has big ears. Now it looks a lot better. Then we saw a phone booth installation titled 9 Billion.
The artist is Douglas Turner. Many of the artworks that we will see will have a plaque in the ground explaining what it is. The artists think Earth is going to look like, that we will all be crammed onto this one planet.
Then Mr. David took us to a hidden gem, Dawson Cole Fine Art Sculpture Garden. This garden is a well-kept secret in Laguna Beach. There are many contemporary and modern sculptures here. There are even some that you can spin. Careful, brother, so you don't get wet. We're continuing with our tour. There are many parking meters like this around the city that create change and fund homeless programs in Laguna Beach. This is the statue of Eiler Larsen, a Danish vagabond who earned fame as the greeter of the town. We are comparing our shoe size with the greeter. Now we're heading towards Main Beach. This medieval castle-looking lifeguard tower was established in 1929. We're climbing up some stairs. What a great view of the beach. We're looking at more public art. This bench is called Support, and it was a gift from the city to the art community. Next we saw the Bird Rock, which is all covered in poop. We're going to the gazebo for another awesome view. Walking along the California Coastal Trail, which spans from Oregon to Mexico.
See the elephant? It looks like a body and the ears and then a little trout.
Oh look, there's a whale.
How did we get down there?
I never knew there's such thing as long bowling. The next piece of art is called Semper Memento, and it is a memorial of the 9/11 tragedy. Finally, we're at a monument dedicated to the veterans and enjoying our last view of the beach. Thank you, Mr. David, for a wonderful tour of Laguna. Please hit the subscribe button and remember to look for your own adventure.